Ever wanted to get closer to nature while you're driving around in your fuel-sipping Hyundai Ioniq? We recently discovered this after shooting our main video, and it's actually pretty cool. This is called the Sounds of Nature, and what it does is it will play various nature sounds through the audio system. Here's the first track. This one's called Lively Forest. You can imagine yourself having a picnic, sitting in the forest, chasing the ants away from your cake, and just having a wonderful time in the forest. Of course, there's other sounds of nature if you get tired of the forest. For example, you have calm sea waves. Yeah, makes you want to kick up your feet, get a tan, and imagine that you're at the beach. You also have a rainy day. If you're ever looking for that perfect soundtrack for that dark, emotional entry in your diary, or if you're one of those people that likes to fall asleep to the sounds of a rainy day, you can now hear it through the sounds of your Ioniq. Of course, you also have the open air cafe. Given the strange new world that we're in, the ability to go to an open air cafe is a very refreshing escape from the realities of the present day. And as you can hear, Hyundai really got the ambiance of this particular sound down. It really does feel like you're at an open air cafe. You have a warm fireplace. With winter coming up in some parts of the United States, being able to imagine that you're snuggled up right next to a warm fireplace is a great retreat for winter commuting. You have a snowy village. You hear that? That's the sound of you hopping in your Ioniq and going to the mall to buy Christmas presents for your children. And back to the lively forest. This is some of the little things that Hyundai does to truly help you focus on the Ioniq's environmentally friendly mission. And while it might seem a bit gimmicky, it's actually a very nice distraction, and it's also a great conversation starter with your friends. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this neat little look into the sounds of nature, and please stay tuned to Car-Revz-Daily.com for more of our video content as well as our ever-evolving review content. Thank you guys so much and have a great day.